Right now, I want you to look down at your jacket, your jeans, or your backpack. Take a really close look at the metal pull tab on your zipper. There is a massive chance that right there, stamped into the metal, are 3 tiny letters, YKK. Have you ever wondered what those letters actually mean? And why are they everywhere? It's one of those tiny details we see every single day, yet we completely ignore it. But behind those 3 letters is an incredible story of obsession, a multi-billion-dollar empire, and a fascinating business philosophy. Today, we're unzipping the surprising history of the most famous letters in fashion, right here on Simple Things, Surprising Histories. To understand why YKK is everywhere, we have to travel back to Tokyo in the year 1934. A young, determined tinkerer named Tadao Yoshida started a modest zipper manufacturing company. Back then, zippers were a relatively new invention, and frankly, they were terrible. They jammed, they snagged, and they broke constantly. Yoshida saw a massive problem, but he also saw a massive opportunity. He renamed his company Yoshida Kogyo Kabushiki Gaisha, which translates to Yoshida Manufacturing Corporation. Take the first letter of those 3 Japanese words and you get YKK. Yoshida was completely obsessed with quality. He knew that a broken zipper doesn't just ruin a zipper, it ruins the entire piece of clothing. Think about it. If the zipper on a $200 winter coat breaks, that coat immediately becomes unwearable. To Yoshida, a garment was only as good as its weakest link. So how did YKK eventually conquer the world? The secret lies in a business concept called vertical integration, and YKK took it to an absolute extreme. Tadao Yoshida wasn't satisfied buying parts from outside suppliers because he couldn't guarantee the quality of the metal or the fabric, so he decided YKK would make everything themselves. And I mean everything. Today, YKK smelts their own brass, they weave their own polyester, they spin and twist their own thread, they even forge and mold the tiny metal teeth of the zippers. But the obsession doesn't stop there. When Yoshida couldn't find manufacturing machines that were up to his high standards, he had his engineers build customized zipper-making machines. They even manufacture the cardboard boxes they use to ship the zippers. By controlling every single step of the manufacturing process, YKK achieved a level of reliability that no competitor could match. Beyond manufacturing, Tadao Yoshida operated on a personal philosophy that he called the cycle of goodness. He believed deeply that no one prospers unless they render benefit to others. For YKK, this meant producing the absolute highest quality zipper at the lowest price. Today, they produce over 7 billion zippers a year. That's roughly half the zippers on the planet. For major clothing brands, choosing YKK is a no-brainer. A manufacturer simply won't risk destroying the reputation of a high-end pair of jeans just to save a fraction of a cent on a cheaper off-brand zipper. They gladly choose the 3 letters that guarantee peace of mind. So, the next time you zip up your coat to brave the cold, take a second to appreciate those 3 little letters. It's a perfect reminder that mastering a simple thing can truly change the world. Thank you for watching Simple Things, Surprising Histories. If you enjoyed this trip into everyday history, please hit that like button, share this video with a curious friend, and subscribe to the channel for more hidden stories behind the things we use every day. See you next time.